Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Libras. We'll be picking few cards, guys, for your daily energy, for your career situation and your love situation, guys, and one card from the Oracle guidance deck. So that will be a general guidance. So these are for your general energies, Libras. I'll be picking 3 cards, guys, for your general reading. For your career situation, I'll be picking 1 card, and for your love energy, I'll be picking 1 more card, guys. For your oracle guidance, we'll be picking 1 card from this deck, from Wisdom Oracle guidance deck. So that will be a general guidance, what we can do every day. So that may or may not relate to your situation, guys, but it will be a general guidance what we can do every day to make things go in a better way, Libra. So let us start with the daily reading first. So what are these cards? King of Pentacles in reverse, 2 of Pentacles in reverse, and 9 of Swords in reverse, guys. So with these cards in your situation today, guys, you are getting some important news today, guys. Maybe it may be a written form of communication from your work, maybe some business deals that you are signing or some agreements that you are making today. So something important is coming your way, or it may even be some form of communication from this person you are in connection with. So if you are in a long distance relationship, maybe this person is communicating to you with emails or some postcards, greetings, something, guys. Some written form of communication is reaching you, and maybe for some of you it may be a good news, guys, coming your way. That is what I see with this card. And in your situation today, Libras, you may have fear in your situation regarding something, maybe because of this communication, or because of your situation. These cards may relate to your career situation or personal life, guys. So some kind of stress or anxiety you may feel today, that may be because of some delays or suspensions in your work, or it may be regarding your personal life with some people, maybe your family members. They may be sick, they may have some illness. Maybe for some of you, that may be the reason for some worries or anxiety in your situation, what will happen to them. So you are in confusion, stress today, guys. That is also the energy with these cards. Or maybe this communication may not be good for some of you. So maybe it may be a bad news also, guys. So that is what I see here with these cards. For some of you it may be a good news, for some of you it may be something bad, but that is what is worrying you in your career or in your personal life, guys. So let us see what is the card for your career situation, Libras. Death in reverse. So with this card, I see here that you are seeing some great changes in your situation today, guys. Some positive changes in your situation, some kind of transitions, sudden changes maybe. And maybe for some of you, it may even be some delays in work, something not going right in your career situation. Though you would have made lots of efforts, things are not going as you expected. You will be seeing delays or suspensions in your work situation, some kind of stagnation. Things are not, your projects or assignments, whatever it is, the plans you have, You may see failure of your plans. That is what I see with this card, guys. So maybe for some of you there may be transitions because of this. Maybe it may be something bad, guys. That is what I see. There are certain troubling situations in your career. That is what I see with this card, guys. Let us see what is the card for your relationship. Ace of Cups. So with this card, in your relationship, Libras, things are going well. You may meet the person of your dreams. You may have that passionate, deep relationship with this person, and this person and yourself, you may share that great understanding, love, compatibility, and you may have that compassion on each other. So whatever your heart feels, that emotional contentment and happiness, you may feel that, guys, that intimacy and harmony in this relationship. So that is what that card is about. So things are going well in your personal life, in your relationship, but something is troubling you in your career situation. That may be the reason for some stress you are experiencing today, Libras. So let us see what is the card, the Oracle guidance card, guys. So let us see here and now. So this is the card for you all, guys, for your guidance. So this card may or may not relate to your situation, guys, but it is something that we can follow, that will help us to have that feeling of balance in our day-to-day life, guys. So this card, here and now, it just means that we have to be in this present day, live at the moment. So past is not with us, so past is gone, we cannot do anything about it, and the future is not yet in our hands. So all we have is the present moment. So we have to let go of that yearning that we have in our hearts regarding something of our past, maybe in our relationship, what relationship or what connection we had, that friendship or affair we had with our past person. So it would have been more fun or passionate, but it is not there right now with us. Those good old days are gone and new day has dawned on us, guys. So we have to let our hearts trust that we have everything that we need right now here with us in this relationship, and the same way tomorrow is beyond our reach, guys. So when we live in the present and be aware of this present moment, cherish and feel happy for this present moment with this present person, we will be able to experience that love right now. So that is what this card is about, guys. And the same way in our work situation also, whatever our past, whatever that was, maybe some mistakes that we did in the past, we have to just take forward that learning. So when we think of our present situation and act instead of reacting to our present situation, we will attract more prosperity in our life, guys. So that is what this card is about, and that is the reading for today, guys. So you need to live one day at a time. That is what this card is about, Libra. So that is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Libras.